Hi, if you want to know how to change the color of your WordPress website, whether it is background color or sidebar color or top color, then you are at the right place. I'm going to teach you how to change all of these colors. Let's come to the screen. Just log into your WordPress admin panel. Here we go. Now in the left side of your menu, you will find the option of appearance. Just mouse over this option. You will find a flyout having an option of customize. Just click this option. Now you are in this position to customize your theme. Here are the options of my theme. You may have different options here depending upon the type of theme. So in my case, here is option of colors. Just click this option. In my case, I can change these colors: background colors, header and text bar colors, header and sidebar colors. But in your case, you may find more options here, but the main concern is for changing the background color of your web pages, you have to come here all the time. Let me show you the effects. Background color, here is it. Just click this icon. You will find a color swatch is here. You may select here. You can see the effect of this changing at real time. If you have the hexadecimal value, you can put here, and here is a default option. You can click this one also. Okay, now let's move to the header and sidebar text color. This is the text and you can change its color whatever you want. The next, header and sidebar background color. Let's see what this option do. Yeah, you can change the color of your sidebar from here. After adjusting all this, you have to publish your changes. In my case, I'm not going to do it. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.